Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Facebook pixel tracking with Meta Events Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Facebook pixel tracking, begin by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Meta Events Manager from the Facebook Business Suite. In the Events Manager, locate the Data Sources section on the left sidebar. Click on Pixels to access your pixel settings. Select the pixel you wish to restore tracking for from the pixel list. If your pixel is inactive or has issues, you will see a notification regarding its status. Click on the notification to see detailed information about the problem. Follow the provided recommendations to address any issues listed. If the pixel is deleted, you cannot restore it, but you can create a new pixel. To create a new pixel, click on the Add button. Enter a name for your new pixel and click Continue. Once the pixel is created, you will receive a pixel ID. Next, install the pixel on your website. Select the option for installation that fits your website platform. Follow the step-by-step guide for adding the pixel code to your website. After installation, use the Test Events feature to ensure your pixel is functioning correctly. Navigate back to the Events Manager and select your pixel. Click on Test Events to send test traffic to your pixel. Monitor the results to confirm that events are being recorded properly. Make adjustments if necessary based on the test results. Once confirmed, your pixel tracking should now be successfully restored. Continue monitoring your pixel for accuracy regularly. This will help ensure your data collection remains reliable moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.